Good morning, boys and girls. I'm glad to be here again with you today. It is Tuesday today, so happy Tuesday. And in just a moment, you'll help me write that on the morning message. Let's start out with a greeting, and we're going to do one that we tried before, and it's called the hello, hello, hello. So you can sing along with me, and you can wave to me or you can wave to your family if they're in the room. It goes like this. Sing it with me. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Well, I hope you're doing great today because the sun is shining out my window, and that just makes me feel good too. So let's go ahead and read our message and find out what we're doing today. Today's date is April 21st, 2020. Dear Letterlanders, ooh, that gives me a clue as to what you're going to be doing in one of your lessons today. Today is, do you remember what day I said it was when we greeted each other first this morning? You're right, Tuesday, and Tuesday starts with a t, a T. We're going to write an uppercase T because our days of the week always start with an uppercase letter. So I'm going to write T-U-E, kind of a funny spelling, Tues, and then day. Day is going to be the same on all the days of the week. So if you know how to spell the word day, D-A-Y, that helps you out. All right, you will have Letterland with Mrs. K. So you're going to see a video from me today with a Letterland lesson, Writer's Workshop with Mrs. Rose, and Jim with Mr. Moostar. So you should be getting 3 different assignments today from 3 different teachers. And remember, you do not have to respond to Mrs. Rose or Mr. Moostar. You only have to respond to our attendance post. So today, your seesaw attendance post is, it's a little bit more work today. Write a list in a notebook, on a piece of paper. You could even type your words in the inbox or a reply to me. So write a list of in-word family words. And you need to watch the video from Letterland from me today to practice writing some in-word family words. And then send a picture of them in your notebook, or you could record a video of you reading them to me, or just type them in. How many words can you make? I'm going to challenge you and see how many you can think of making. And don't forget some of those blends and digraphs like ch or sh or grr or something like that. All right, now it's time for our student shout out. And this student, actually, this name of this student is the name of 2 people in our class. So we're going to have to try to guess which one it is. This is a boy today. His name starts with a W, so that's going to kind of give it away. But now we have to try to guess which W name this is. This student really loves to greet everyone, and he's very smiley, and he always gives me the best hugs in the morning. This person likes to build with Legos. This person, likes the Packers. Oh no. And he has 4 letters in his name. All right, can you think of who it is? Did you say Will? You're right. But think about which Will. Now this Will is, his last name starts with a K. Can you think of which Will it is? It's Will Kratz, Will K. So we're going to write Will's name, and he has only, I kind of told you how many letters he had in his name. Well, I'll write his name. We're going to start it with a capital W, because we start names with W's. And then he has an I, and then he has 2 L's in his name. All right, and just for fun, we're going to add the K. Even though it's not part of his first name, we always call him Will K, so I thought we'll add the special K this time. All right, let's look at how many total letters then that he has in his name, Will K. We're going to circle all the vowels. Remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, or U. All right, W is not a vowel, but I is a vowel, so I'm going to circle that one. The L's are not vowels, and either is the K. So he only has one vowel. He's kind of unique. He just has one vowel in his name. So I'm going to write a 1 in our addition sentence. And then let's count how many consonants. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write 4 on the next line because remember, we're going to count the K in his name. So we're going to add up the vowels and the consonants. We have 1 vowel and 4 consonants. And remember, kindergartners, you can use your fingers. That's okay. 1 and 4 more is 5. So Will, counting the K, has 5 letters in his name. All right, are you ready to give Will K a big shout out? Remember, when I count to 3, you're going to move your body around and shout as loud as you can and say, "Good morning, Will. We hope you have a good day." All right, here we go, kindergartners. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Will K. We hope you have a good day. We miss you so much. We miss your hugs and your smiles. We hope you have a fun day learning. Bye. Wow, I bet Will is smiling right now too, hearing that shout out. Great job. All right, we're going to go to our next part. And I said today we could listen to a days of the week or a months of the year song. So I'm going to just go up and we'll see if this works. I'm going to click on this months of the year song. And sometimes, remember, that little commercial comes first. Oh, no, it's ready today. All right, we're going to listen to it. Hopefully you can hear it.
January to December, 12 months to remember.
Now remember,
January,
you can stand up when it's
February,
your month, birthday
March.
month. So think about when your birthday is and you can stand up.
January to December,
I'll stand up when it's mine.
12 months to remember. May,
That's mine.
June, July, August, January to December, 12 months to remember. September, October, November, December, January to December.
That spider in
12
December was
months
funny.
to remember. They go January, February,
Remember, stand up when it's your month.
April, May,
That's me.
June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Oh, there's the silly Santa spider. He always makes me laugh. All right, let me get rid of that extra things. Thank you. That was a fun song. I'm glad that we got to try that today. Maybe we'll try another one tomorrow. All right, let's look at our calendar. Yesterday we wrote that it was April 20th, and on our morning message today we said it was April 21st. And we talked about 20s start with a new number. They're not the teen numbers. They start with a 2, and 21, I can hear the number that comes next, a 1. Now remember, tomorrow is Earth Day, and I'll have some extra activities if you want to try. All right, let's talk about yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Today is not Monday, and tomorrow's not Tuesday because we said today was Tuesday. So I'm going to move the arrows one space over in the reading direction because our days of the week kind of move in the reading direction. Today is Tuesday. That means yesterday, the day that came before Tuesday, is Monday. Tomorrow is Wednesday, the middle of the week. All right, let's look at our pattern so I don't forget that. I'm going to start way back here on this Wednesday because I notice I have to go kind of far back to figure out what the pattern is. We have a bunny, chick, cloud, egg. Bunny, chick. What do you think is going to come next? If you said cloud, you are correct. I'll put the cloud right there. I wonder what will come for Earth Day. All right, we're going to go to our weather. And today I woke up and it wasn't cloudy. Remember I said it was sunny. It made me feel so good. So I'm going to go ahead and move a block for sunny over here. Maybe tomorrow for Earth Day, we could watch a weather video. But if you look right now for the month of April, What kind of weather have we had the same amount of in April? There's actually two different answers. It could be sunny and cloudy because they've had the same, or you could have said rainy and snowy. We still haven't had any foggy days, or at least at my house, it hasn't been foggy. All right, I checked the temperature on my phone this morning and it said today's high will be 47. Let's write a 47 up here in the thermometer box. A 47 has a 4 and a 7. Remember, this means degrees Fahrenheit. Now, yesterday it was 54 and now today is 47, so the pattern looks like it's getting a little bit colder. All right, let's fill out 47. We're going to count by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh, 50 is too far. 47 is almost to 50. So I'm going to draw a line about right there, and I'm going to try to fill in as best as I can. Sometimes it's kind of tricky to do this on my computer. So it looks like the temperature is going to be a little bit colder today than yesterday, but I think tomorrow is going to be warmer from what I've heard. All right, the last thing, we have actually two more things. We're going to do our tally marks for April. This means how many days have we come to school in April? Remember, our poem goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, standing tall. Number 5 goes across them all. Now we only have 3 standing tall, so I'm going to make another one, 4. And we can count by fives. 5, 10, plus 4 more is 14. We write numbers with a 1 first and then a 4. All right, I think we get to do something tomorrow with our tallies and we get to cross them out. All right, last part. We're going to count today since we counted by tens yesterday. I thought we could count by fives. And would you like to try counting all the way to the end of my graph to 120 today? Oh, great. All right, think of an exercise. Remember, you got to be able to move around. Make sure you don't hit any furniture or people. So think of an exercise you could do. It could be jumping jacks, push-ups. It could be shuffling across the floor, skipping around. All right, are you guys ready to get our brains ready for learning? Here we go. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Great job, everybody. Now your brains are ready for learning today, and I hope you have a great day. See you later.